Hi, this is 28th day of communication skill enhancement practice. As we all know that we have to improve our communication and also English language. So daily practice will help us to improve that skills. So daily I am learning new different things so that I would be acquainted with this language and also communicate in a formal manner. So three things which I feel, which I have learned, and I feel it will be old shareable, and if it is applied in day-to-day life, it will be helpful to develop any skills, also to enjoy the same thing. So the first thing which I have learned is the 80-20 rules. In 80-20 rules, what we have previously listened that the Pareto principle, 80% 20% person have the 80% impact. So I am not going to tell the Pareto principle here. My today's uh, content is in a full day. If you have, because because we are in a stage of learning, we are learning a new skills. So to learn a new skills, what we are doing, 20% plan and 80% action. So 80% should be our action. If you have plan for learn English and communication skill for 2 hours or 3 hours per day, or up any hour x hours, then we can divide it into 0.8. So if you have to practice for you have to learn English speaking or communication skills for plan for 4 hours, then you can plan with what you have to do for 20 minutes at least. And most of the time we can be action oriented, we can be discussed with other peoples. So we can speak like solo, we speak solo speaking, as if we are in public, like public speaking practice. Also we can learn new words, day to day words, which is very easily you can be, it is available in YouTube. So day to day words, day to day sentence, that is reading, listening, practicing, writing also help. So this type of things is very much required, and that is 20% of your day should be plan and 80% should be action. That really impact, this knowledge really impacted me, because sometimes I have lost in my plan, I have lost in different notifications. So keep your notifications away from sometimes, and do only stay in a action page. I have also learned from Swami Vivekananda that take actions more, and you can plan later. Because action will be give you more impacting result rather than planning. People people listen other people's advice. People uh, involved in too much planning, what to do, what not to do, because and they also worried about what is happening, what is not happening. They're complaining what is happening and what other people are saying. Just do all these things to just divert all the time from this to your action in speaking, discussing about English. I am telling, but you can take action for your business, you can take action for your own entrepreneurship. What action you want to take action in a small steps. Take action in small steps, and there will be some problems, and you can try to solve that problem. Taking action, facing problems, solving problems will help you to grow rather than just thinking, complaining, listening, which is not worth listening. So we can improve our any skills, communication skill, English speaking skill by this practice, and this will be very helpful for us. And the second thing which I have learned, that the person who is satisfied, who is happy in life, or who got everything in life, I'm sorry, I'm told happy, who is who has achieved his dream, the person which achieved his dream is also in mess. Person who is happy which has achieved all his dream is also in mess. He is also in searching for something. He is not happy with, he is not satisfied. He has got everything as a dream, but he is not satisfied. So that thing he want to inform to others, you have to tell to others that if you are thinking that you will achieve something and then you will be happy, you will be satisfied, that is never going to happen. We have to enjoy this journey of struggle. We are struggling to learning skill, we are struggling to communicate, we are fumble, we are not able to getting words, but still enjoy the journey, because this journey is going to be the most important thing with us. This is the thing which is with us, something which will be in future. We cannot predict that maybe give us good result or not, that maybe makes us happy or not, we don't know. So don't wait for something to happen in future. Let your struggle, your efforts make you happy. That will be the most important learning of which I have learned. If properly implemented, that can be also give a huge satisfaction in your journey of learning, because learning is also a journey, efforts is also a journey, stressful situation, nervous situation is also a part of our journey. Let's enjoy it. And third thing which I have learned today, that for practicing English speaking and communication skill day-to-day practice, we don't have regular access to people who are who want to discuss with us in English. So with that thing we are lacking. We are lacking of discussing with somebody in English. So that problem can be solved by one solution, that is English conversation app. You can use English conversation app. I have used that. That is very easy to use. You can record that. You can discuss with anybody directly through this app, and by repeatedly daily discussing, giving time for discuss, you have got somebody who can discuss with you. So you can discuss it through this app, record it, check it whether your voice is not good, your fluency is not good, your volume, the sound is need some more improvement, something which we need to improve. You can do that by discussing. So we cannot complain that there is nothing to discuss. We can use that app and we can easily discuss that. So three things which is I have learned today, and I feel it is ought to say that 80% should be our action in our everyday life, and second is enjoy journey, because nothing will be, you don't know what will be happen to tomorrow. So enjoy this day, enjoy this moment, and enjoy this struggle. And third thing is discussing will be more effective rather than just speaking in video. You can speak in video, plus at the same time you can use some time, give some time to discussing by in these apps which I have started using is English conversation. So you can use that app. You can also use any other app, but that will be really helpful to practice daily, because daily practice is really required, and daily practice improve our communication in English, and small improvement will give us confidence. Thanks.